Hi, this is Scott Law. Welcome to ArtistWorks Acoustic Guitar 101 online. This is a place where anyone can come and learn to play the guitar. It's free. The lessons start at the very beginning and each lesson builds on the one before it. These are beautiful high-definition lesson videos, and there's looping, slow motion, and multiple camera angles, so it's easy to see what's going on and being taught. Because it's online, the lessons are always there, so you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. I truly believe this will be the definitive online resource for helping people get started to learn to play the guitar. Join us inside and get on the path to becoming the guitar player you always wanted to be.